This is step 3 in preparing for a visit with the Andrews University Physical Therapy Clinic. Payment is due at the time of service. Here's how to pay online prior to your visit. After scheduling the appropriate service for your needs and taking note of the date and time of your appointment, this will be important in a moment, navigate back to the Andrews University Physical Therapy Clinic homepage. In the navigation bar on the left side, click the Patient Login and Payment link. Scroll down to click on the Pay Online link. Select the service type that you scheduled an appointment for. Click Add to Cart. Enter the requested information for the patient. If you are paying for another individual, such as a dependent, be sure to enter the patient's information rather than the payer's. Include the appointment date and time that you are submitting payment for. Click Continue. Verify the submitted service type, patient name, and appointment time. If this is correct and you have no further payments to add, for example, a follow-up visit, click Checkout. Enter your email. Continue. Enter the information of the payer. When you have completed this form and clicked Continue, you will have the opportunity to review your payment information prior to submitting. After submitting payment, you will receive an email receipt. Payment will be reflected on your account within 2 to 3 business days. Hooray! You've done it! Now you're ready to complete your visit at the Andrews University Physical Therapy Clinic.